Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can use Playground Picture Generate AI app for Apple Intelligence. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, you must update your phone and then use this app. Open the app, describe your photo you want to generate. The photo has been created. Now you can choose style for it. For example, farmer and the other. Also, you can add your photo to this picture. That's it, my photo has been created. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like, and for more content like this, please subscribe to support me. Thank you.